How about long-term care? I know, talking to various clients, and when they start approaching the 64, 63, 64, I have to bring it up to their attention about the long-term care, because in the last show, we actually covered long-term care all by itself. It's a pretty hefty cost for seniors. And they, about 95% of them, they are under the impression that they are bulletproof. Once they are 65, they get this Medicare, and long-term care is included. Is that true?
Partially. Long-term care per se, the way we know it as a long-term care insurance, no, is not covered under the Medicare. There is a partial coverage for nursing care, skilled nursing care, under the hospital benefits of Medicare. Remember, that's the Part A.
Part A.
That will cover you for up to 100 days. The first days, Medicare Services provides it for free. And then for the rest, from day 21 to day 100, there is a co-premium that you have to pay. There is a co-payment that you have to make. Past the 100 days, then there is no more coverage. So
it's you.
Yes, it's entirely out of your pocket. So the reason why I say it is partially true is because there is a little bit of coverage when it comes to nursing care under the Part A, but it's not a comprehensive coverage as you know it under a long-term care plan, where if you had to go to a long-term care facility or receiving home health care, that's not covered. There is actually in the Medicare website, which is medicare.gov, there is actually a link where you can click on that specifically relates to that issue. Is long-term care coverage paid or covered by Medicare? And there is that link, and it is very comprehensive. It explains exactly.
And it says no.
And basically it says no. Medicare does not cover long-term care.
Okay. And considering the average long-term care stays, I believe from the last show, Larry was saying it's from 2 years to up to 20 years. And 100 days of coverage in a long-term care doesn't mean much, in other words.
No, it doesn't mean much. And then remember, of those 100 days, only the first 20 are free.
Okay.
For the others, there is a copay.
Oh, just 20 days, not even a month. It's just 20 days, you're covered, and then after that, you're paying.
Right, and the first 20 days is free, and that's actually probably one of the very few instances where under the Medicare program you hear the word free. for everything else, there is always some financial contribution on your part.
Yes.